Okay, so basically little tutorial. Ignore my background. Usually, what you're gonna do is you're going to download Prisma 3D, and you're just going to later it says like what do you want to do, modeling or animating? You click on modeling. When you have that, you go into your browser and you search up SketchLab. Then you go here on the first one. Shut up. And you click on it. Don't worry, you can trust the site. Then you search up Dandy's World. Wow. Stop typing. Like Dandy's World. You download a model you want. I'll choose Goob because I wanted to make an animation of Goob shooting someone. Then you click on 3D model. Then this part is important. You need to click on GLTF and then download. If you don't choose GLTF, it won't work. Then you go back into Prisma 3D. Yeah. Now, if you've used CapCut and other apps to tween, this step will be really easy. Well, not this step, but like, yeah.
Want to find out which products will explode in 2020?
Shut the fuck up. Ignore the ad. But yeah. Fuck off. Click on new project, and then it says choose a new model. Scroll down, and later you see custom. Then click on import. Then you go to downloads and do this one, Goob Official. That's what mine's called. You get all these things and just do scene GLTF. I have to wait. Then if I'm right, it should be in there. It has all these little dots. If you want to animate, just click on rotate right here. And you can rotate the joints and everything like this. Just experiment with it first. Nobody can learn it that quick. Then click on the plus and click on choose an animation and then create. Here you have this little keyframe thingy, eruit. You click on it and then you have your first keyframe set. Then you should add another keyframe and just do it on how you want it to move. So like here, Goob doing Hitler pose. Like this. You can animate all the body parts with using keyframes and stuff. Now for the face, you need to download a rig. And how do you download one of those face rigs? You go to Pinterest. Then you search up Dandy's World rig and then your Dandy's World character. Wait, no, you search up Dandy's World face template. And then the character you want. Then, if I'm right, you should have this one, for example. You just download it. Then you go into Ibis Paint. And import your picture. Then this part's important. Flip it upside down. If you don't do this, it will end up looking really weird. Then you edit the face to how you want it. I'll just make a smiley. There. Then save image. Then just take everything away. You don't need it. Go back to Prisma 3D. Then just click on new project. Wait, no, not on new project. Click the project you were making. Zoom in onto your little silly guy. Click on your character's head. And then scroll till you see material. Here, material. Click on it. Then click on the first thing that pops up. Then go to texture. Add a keyframe at the start. So like not with this one, but if you click on textures, it has this little keyframe button, this red keyframe button. If you haven't made an animation, it doesn't say that. So just click on it. Then you've made a keyframe, and then scroll to where you want the face to change. If you import an audio, that's like the easiest thing to do. Just put it where the character speaks, basically. Then go back to material on texture. Then click on the plus and then go to gallery. Choose a picture you want. Then
Want to find out which products will...
You always have to watch it add, so it's gonna be really annoying. Unless you turn off your Wi-Fi for a bit, then it's not that annoying anymore. Then just skip the ad. And that's it. Yeah, you do need to add a keyframe for when you import the face you want. Wait, let me just redo it. So you went to gallery, you chose your picture, blah 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 blah. You watched an ad, then you click on the red keyframe button again, and then boom. See? Yeah, I hope this helped.